Microsoft Azure Portal is down following claims of DDoS attack. Now, you know, if a DDoS attack can take down Azure, that must be a big attack. So let's check it out. So even though you're in the cloud, even though you're in Azure, Google, AWS, you need to be doing incident response, a backup plan, or something, because they can go down. The Microsoft Azure Portal is down on the web as threat actors known as Anonymous Suda claims to have targeted the site with the DDoS attack. Attempting to access the portal, portalazure.com displays an error messages. Our services aren't available right now. We're working on restoring all services as soon as possible. Please check back soon. The mobile app appears to be unaffected at this time. The Microsoft Azure status page includes the status information stating that Microsoft is aware of the incident and is attempting to mitigate it. So you see it right there. Azure Portal error message of Azure Portal applying mitigation, shows you the time when it was last updated. Of course, that's June 9th, 2023. At the same time, a threat actor known as Anonymous claims to be conducting a DDoS attack against the Microsoft Azure Portal, sharing an image on the page not working. Anonymous claims to be an activist group targeting U.S. companies to protest the United States' involvement in the Sudanese internal affairs. However, some believe this is a false flag and that the threat actor are actually in Russia or that are Russian. Regardless of the threat actor's origin, this has not been a good week for Microsoft, with the threat actors conducting DDoS attacks on Microsoft web portals for Outlook.com and OneDrive, which all suffer outages at the same time. So this seems to be kind of a coordinated attack. Once again, Microsoft having a bad week. So you got the Azure Portal, Outlook.com, and OneDrive is down. While Microsoft has not confirmed that these outages are due to DDoS attacks, they did share the following statement with Bleeping Computer yesterday, hinting that the issues are more than just a technical problem. We're aware of these claims and are investigating. We're taking the necessary steps to protect customers and ensure stability of our services. Bleeping Computers have once again contacted Microsoft to ask if the services are down due to DDoS attack, but the response was not immediately at this time. So once again, Microsoft Azure Portal's down. Even though you are on the cloud, even the big boys, Azure, AWS, and Google, you need to have a plan B or incident response plan to take in effect. Professor Black Ops, please subscribe. Azure taking a beating along with Microsoft. Please subscribe.